All right, guys, I want to talk about a stock we all know, the one of the biggest electric vehicle stocks, and that is going to be Tesla. I want to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. This selling pressure that we're having is actually really good because I've been waiting for this area for a while. I actually am very surprised it's actually presenting. But let's get right to the charts because I want you guys to see this before the market before the bell closes. So here's the chart here on the weekly chart. So Tesla, it is one of my most favorite bigger cap stocks coming into a crucial EMA that I love to do, and I make massive money doing this simple tactic. Right in here, as you can see, the last time we hit this EMA 50 was right down in here. This has made one of the most biggest moves that we've seen in a very short amount of time from here to here. This was at over 100% gain, 130% almost. And it's very, it's good that this is coming down. We needed a pullback. This was unsustainable, right? If you see the weekly chart, you even hit this upper Keltner channel. And a lot of people that bought this, you bought the top. So never, ever buy an upper Keltner channel. I had this at an extreme oversold setting or oversold and overextended. So pretty much when it hits this, it just means, it doesn't mean that it's, can go down right away. It's just like caution. I had this so I don't ever buy that. And then basically what happens is we wait for the EMAs for the bounces to happen. You can see even through all these EMAs, you actually made money. From this EMA 10, you made really good money, 17% in literally a week. We did go to the 20 and we never got a bounce here. I was not looking at this at this time. I love to look at one, do we skip the EMAs? Like, for example, we go from the 5 to the 10. Do we go from the 20 to the 50? Usually when you skip an EMA, you get one of the bigger bounces. I think Tesla is a really good area at this level. Also look at the monthly chart here. You're standing on an EMA 10 on the monthly. So you have all these areas here. 298.36 is the monthly chart. And then on the weekly chart, you're looking at 295.48. We are at, pretty much close enough to where we're like, okay, this is a nice area that I would actually honestly buy. This is a really good area. It's pretty much dead on. A lot of the times price can get very close like this and act like it touch it if it goes up pretty fast, like in the next week, when the next weekly forms. So do keep that in mind. I always like to buy it slightly above it. It is a higher quality company, so it's not a big deal. And guess what? If it just goes further down than you think, then we go in here. We go click on single option and we go straight into cover calls. I'm telling you, it's the best get out of the jail card if you're just like, you know what? I did everything I did. I played the probabilities game. I bought it right here on this weekly EMA 50. Let's say it just goes all the way down to 243. No big deal. If your average is right here is where I would love to buy it right in here. I'm in some other bigger cap stocks. This is the area I would buy it right here. And I'm thinking about buying it. I've been doing really good on these uptrend plays recently, even because with this downtrend market or the market just having a sell-off, this is where you can get one of the best stocks like Tesla at a very high generational probability setup here. I mean, you guys would have loved to buy it back here on this EMA 50, right? Now that you see the clear picture, you're like, yeah, I would have loved to buy it there. You got to understand, Tesla has been chopping here. We have downtrend here. I had a little uptrend, downtrend. I don't think this uptrend is done yet. I think, right in here, you can see the monthly uptrend. It's been just absolutely solid. Look at the thing that this thing has going. It's going up and down. It has been respecting these EMAs to a T. So basically what I look for is, did we hit this upper Keltner channel, which means it's extremely bullish? We did. Then we look for the most prominent EMAs, which is the EMA 50. I love it. It's the best EMA. You make massive returns on that. And it coincides with a monthly EMA 10. So everything looks good here. If it does go lower, like the price is 297, you can literally go, let's just say 10 days out. And if you had this right now, you can be like, you know what? I want to sell for 305. And you look right here, you can get a massive premium. Let's just say you have 100 shares of Tesla. You can literally make, this is insane, right? You can literally make $1,125 just off of the premium alone, instantly, straight to your broker account. Just selling you right here because your average is so good. And then guess what happens? You lower your cost by $10. So if you bought it right now at $298, well, you technically have a $10 cost lowered from that. So now you have a $288. You see what cover calls do? It gives you lots of room for error. That's what I would personally do because not only are you getting massive premium right in here, and then if it goes to 300, you still make massive, 305, you make that massive money from there. So, from this price here, this is like honestly, if you want to take a risk, this is where I take it. You know, from here to 305, you make about 2% on your shares too. And then you got to understand is you're also making that massive premium. Literally just 100 shares, you're making over $1,000 of, you know, that just goes straight to you, $1,100. So you make money if it goes up, you collect the premium, and then the nice thing is if it goes down, well, no worries, you just collect that premium and you just keep doing it again. Sell the next strike. You know, I did this one, so once that one expires worthless, you go to 14 March and be like, okay, now I can sell the 305. Lower my premium by another $13. That's how I would do Tesla. This is the area to buy. There is not a, you know, obviously I would like, you know, at least have enough money to, you know, this is a bigger cap stock, so try to have enough money for 100 shares. If you don't, try TSLZ. This is another 2x where you can make massive money. Oh, that's the inverse, my bad. Tesla, they should have a bull. TSLL. You can see right here, as you know, price as Tesla goes down, this goes down, you know, double the amount. So if Tesla's down like 10%, this is going to go down 20%. So if you just want to buy shares of this, you can do that too. So there's definitely different ways to buy this. Tesla is very bullish in my opinion. I'm loving to scoop this up in here. These are all average downs here. You can sell the cover calls and make massive money. And like I say, guys, if you want to know more about these cover call strategies, definitely watch my educational videos on the Discord. How to sell cover calls tutorial. I talk about it all the time in my live stream. There's a link down below if you want to follow my Twitch live stream. Hit the follow button and you'll know if I go live. I talk about these kind of strategies, and these are the things that people, you know, I like to win in 3 directions. If Tesla goes down, I win. If Tesla goes sideways, I win. If Tesla goes up, I make even more money. And that's the way you're supposed to approach this market, because we don't know what's going to happen in the future. It can keep going down. Well, then basically, like I said, though, from this 298, remember, you're lowering it by $10 roughly every week and a half, right? That I'm doing this, and then this goes down another 10 if you keep selling it. And so as price goes down, your average is going down with price. Obviously, if it goes down too far, then you can't sell as much premium. But I think this is a crucial level where right in here, we've had bounces, right, on this EMA 10. We skip the 5, go to the 10. We skip the 20 here. And when I mean skip, like, didn't have, like, any, like, sizable bounce that I would like. And then we go to the 50, and then here. And this right here should have showed you weakness here. If you did buy this on the weekly EMA 20, it came back to your average and actually pumped a little from this, I would have got out of this instantly, right? I mean, even made a 4% from this EMA 20. Because you got to understand, when there's this amount of weakness that goes under this EMA here, you know that the shorts are trying to take this out lower, right? When it does something like this to a T, long lower wick, right in here, right on the EMA, it's perfect. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to subscribe, join the Discord, you guys are always welcome. These are the kind of plays I look at. I alerted BBAI in the chat. We made over 10%. I'm in soon right now. Same type of setup. I'll show you guys. These are the plays that I love on these big market down days. In soon, went a little lower, totally fine. I'm looking for price to come back up and make a massive gain. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do if you want to become a member is hit day trade alerts right here, and you'll have access to everything, swing trades and day trades. And get this, guys, for this promotional video for $12 a month, you get access to everything. You're gonna love it. You're gonna learn a lot. You're not just gonna base your trades on signals. You've probably been in a lot of Discords that charge you $50, $100, $200, and like follow this signal alert and you'll be a millionaire. It doesn't work like that. You gotta understand every different approach you take. For example, I tell you guys every different approach that I'm looking to take on Tesla. If it doesn't go my way, I have backup. If it goes my way, I know where I'm looking to take profit and everything, right? For bigger cap stocks, 5 to 10% is always your profit margin. Trail and stop it, all right? I usually take out 50% of my shares and hold the rest for break even so I can see how high this goes. But I really like my cover call strategy. These are the stocks that they do well on. You know, if you got in right now, you can sell one right out. You know, lower your average. That way, if it does keep going down, no big deal. All right. Hope you guys liked the video. Would love to have you guys in the channel. I think you guys are going to learn a lot. Click now the link down below in YouTube comments below to access your permanent discount that will stay with you. We are looking to increase the price in March, so I hope you guys do lock in that discount. Read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer to access this. But once you do that, you'll have access to all these channels, and you can use your Android just fine. Also, if you subscribe, do it on your computer, because you avoid the iOS fee instead of doing it on the App Store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this knowledge. What you're gonna get is day trading education, swing trading education, You're going to get my swing trade alerts. You're going to get my day trade alerts. Everything that is deep down in here is all the plays I took. If you want to just base my trade off of me, that's totally fine. But I highly encourage that you understand why you take these trades. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and let's make some money. Peace out. Oh, and also, if you're not from the US, I just want to make a disclaimer. It might be a little more than the $12 a month. It might be 15 or 16 because of the currency exchange rate. All right, but either way, you're getting a permanent discount if you click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll never go up in price, and you'll lock in your discount. All right, guys, we'll see what Tesla does right here. Save this chart here on this EMA 50, and let's go from there. Peace out.